Hello, hi guys! Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong umaga, tatigan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of December. Okay, December 8 hanggang December 14 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat pa sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapa man ng balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka na. Dahil nandito ng ulit ang weekly gabay for Scorpio signs. So, tingnan natin kung ano magiging pasabog at bulabog sa inyo ng mensahe ng ating mga gabay. So this is a love reading, and of course money reading, and of course career reading, something like that. So ibig sabihin pagkakaperahan, relasyon, and of course health, no? So ibig sabihin this is a overall reading. So pangkalahatan to. So tingnan natin kung ano magiging mensahe sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Scorpio. Give me information po for a weekly gabay for the sign of Scorpio, Angel Spirit guides. So there is a Six of Cups. So some of you had there's some memories, because there's a remnants or there's a past person or something on information by the friends or relatives or either a past persons. And of course there's a King of Cups. So there's a devoted and supportive person, no? Kumbaga there's a person at kumbaga supportado ka at talagang ginagabayan ka, no? And because there's a Knight of Pentacles, so there's a blossoming abundance. So, ibig sabihin, lalakas ang iyong finances, no? Kung magkakaroon ka ng blossoming abundance dito, no? Kung mukhang lalakas yung iyong negosyo o hanap buhay. Because there's a Knight of Wands, so there's a final push, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo lang ilaban, diba? Dapat laban na laban ka lang sa lahat ng eksena. I-push mo lang na i-push yan. Kasi at the end of the time, magsasuccess ka rin, no? And of course, let's see what is additional messages. There's a Two of Wands. So there's a decisions. And of course, there's a new path or something, two paths. So ibig sabihin, mayroon dito, there's both situation, no? Kailangan titingnan mo yung pinaka-lighter side, no? Titingnan mo yung both situation, titingnan mo yung magiging possibilities or something na makakatulong sa iyo in a good things, and of course, good outcome. Parang gano'n. So let's see what is additional messages. And see, there's the Sun card. Wow! So, ibig sabihin dito, the Sun is of pure positivity and pure positive outcome. So, magiging maganda ang pasabog sa'yo dito. Let's see what is the Six of Cups. Bakit nandito is a Six of Cups? Because there's Three of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a teamwork or something collaborations and of course, information na kumbaga, meron dito kumbaga, teamwork, no? Or something makakatrabaho mo or something gano, kumbaga, kaibigan mo na katrabaho mo. So, let's see you. Ano ang pinaka-involved? Bakit involved dito ang past relationship or something, a friend or something, a workmate? So, let's see. And of course, there's a devil energy. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a temptation or something na, kumbaga, there's an abusive, no? So, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles. And of course, guys, there's Page of Pentacles. So, there's a manifestation. So, there's a new fresh idea and new plans, no? So, let's see what is the Knight of Okay, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. So, there's a Three of Wands. So, waiting for a soul to waiting for a ship. Or some of you, there's a trouble, no? May inaantay kayong travel o may inaantay kayong, kumbaga, there's information na baka nag-aantay kayo ng alis or nag-aantay kayo ng balita or something, papers, no? Baka may inaantay kayong documents na, kumbaga, ang tagal nyo nang inantay. So, let's see what is the Two of Wands. Because there's a Queen of Cups. So, there's an information na magkakaroon ka ng healing sa dalawang situation mo or both side of situation, no? Magkakaroon ka na ng healing. Let's see what is the Sun card. And of course, the Sun card represents the Five of Swords. So there is information, there's a self-defense or something fair fight, no? Ibig sabihin may patas na laban, kaya magiging aware ka. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na malayo pa lang, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka na ng information na, ay, itong tao na to, kumbaga makasabotahin ako or something. Kumbaga mag-ingat ka sa mga words and of course ang information na ibibigay mo, no? So let's see what is the Six of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. And because there's an Empress card, so there's an information, okay, there's an X, no? Kumbaga, there's a collaboration, of course, ng teamwork, no? There's an X na pinag-uusapan behind your back, at talagang, parang pinagtutulungan ka dito with your, may X dito na pinagtutulungan ka. So, let's see what is the King of Cups and the Devil. And because oh my God, there's a recovery. Makaka-recover na raw yung person from the pain, no? If you were a man na Scorpio, kumbaga makaka-recover ka na sa gawa sa'yo ng black magic involved. Or either, if you are a woman, yung person mo na makaka-recover na sa black magic or gayuma or diba? Kulam. So let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. So there's a death card. So there's an ending and a new beginning. So ibig sabihin, tinatapos na at magkakaroon na ulit ng panibagong simula at magkakaroon dito ng transformation, no? Kumbaga, bababago na ang sitwasyon. And ako sinasabi sa'yo dito with Nine of Wands and the Three of Wands is Two of Pentacles. So there's a balance. So panatilihin mo balance sa yung emotions mo and of course yung mindset mo, even your spiritual, no? Kailangan mo maging balance. Let's see what is the Two of Wands and of course the Queen of Cups. And of course, guys, there's a Ten of Wands. So there's a lot of obligation or responsibilities. And of course, sinasabi sa dito, magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing dyan, no? So ibig sabihin dito, tingnan mo yung situations, both situation, tingnan mo yung magiging possibilities and of course, magiging, kumbaga, bigger picture, parang gano'n. So let's see what is the Sun card and of course the Five of Swords. And of course, there's Seven of Pentacles. So, there's a harvest time. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo, kumbaga, natuto ka na no? Sa mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. And of course, para magkakaroon ka dito ng harvest and paying off. And of course, there's a happiness at kaligayahan, diba? Kumbaga, patas na yung laban. Hindi na basta-basta, kumbaga, masasabotahin ka ng ganun-ganun. Alam mo na yung grounds mo, diba? So, let's see what is the outcome. And there's a magician, there's a manifestation, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na mamamanifest ka na dito, may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan ka na, at kumbaga alam mo na yung mga bagay or kontrolado mo na, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a Ten of Pentacles. Wow! There's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, guys, may pangmatagalang eksena dito na magdadala sa ng long-term security or financial security and financial windfall. So, ang sinasabi sa dito is a long ride. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's an Emperor. So, some of you, you're being a boss someday, no? Or some of you, kumbaga, you are being mature, no? Pagdating sa bagay-bagay. Hindi ka na basta-basta magpapatinag. And there's a justice, no? Kumbaga, ang hustisya talaga ay nasa sayo, di ba? Kumbaga, kontrolado mo at kumbaga, talagang balanse mo, no? Kumbaga, the angels are support and of course, God is always here to support with you, no? Talagang sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit, manifestations, long-term God, no? There's a God na talagang, kumbaga, this emperor is a God, no? There's a mature person na, kumbaga, talagang ginagabay. And of course, there's a justice. Yung hustisya and karma ay talagang pumapabor sa'yo. Powerful. Bongga yan. Kasi sa power of the deck, there's a Four of Cups or evaluation, no? Kumbaga marunong ka na mag-evaluate or something, analyze ng mga bagay-bagay bago ka mag-take ng action. It's a good part. Powerful. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. So, sinasabi dito, there's, you got the power. So, kuwang-kuwa mo talaga, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, you got the power, no? So, let's see. Use your abilities to resolve the situation and you can do it, no? Kung gagawin mo daw tong abilities or kakayanan mo para masolusyonan lahat ng problema mo. At alam ni God na kaya mo, diba? Pinagkaloob to sa'yo kasi alam niyang you have a power and you have abilities and psychic abilities na, diba? Kaya mo makaalis sa situation and lumaban ka. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle. Decisions. Now, there's a lot of decisions here. And of course, there's detachment. So, kailangan mong kumawala, no? Sa mga taong nandyan lang kapag kailangan ng tulong mo, no? Yung cold na yan, detachment, no? Kumbaga, may mga tao na, kumbaga sala sa lamig, sala sa init, ganon. And of course, there's forming a structure, solid foundation. Parang pinapalakas ka dito na, kumbaga, hindi ka basta-basta matitinig o hindi ka basta-basta bubuwag. Alam mo yung decision mo sa buhay mo na, 'di ba? Kumbaga, kilala mo yung ligaw ng bituka nila, 'di ba? Na kumbaga, alam mo yung sala sa lamig, sala sa init, 'di ba? Kumbaga, nandyan lang yan kapag kailangan ng tulong or something, nandyan lang yan kapag alam niyang meron ka. 'Di ba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Ang galing, 'di ba? Ang galing talaga ng ating angel spirit na pinapaunawa sa atin lahat ng kaganapan sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. At sinasabi ni Archangel Michael dito na explore your options, no? Kumbaga, alamin mo nang alamin pa yung mga bagay na alam mo magkakatulong sa'yo. It's an experiences to know all of information, no? Kumbaga, marami ka pang dapat malaman. And of course, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. No, kailangan mo magtiwala sa iyong mga gabay, even your inner voice, diba? So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Let's see what is the Romance Angels. Our Romance Angels represent a honeymoon. So, ibig sabihin, there's an honeymoon, no? Talagang, sinasabi din, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So, kailangan nyo ng time ng iyong person to each and every one. So, sa inyong dalawa, kailangan nyo talaga ng time sa isa't isa. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, dito, there's a lost land. So, there's a soul, memories, and gift. You done this before. Nagawa mo na to dati, di ba? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka na ng experiences. Something, memories and kumbaga lessons, no? Kumbaga nalaman mo na to, natutunan mo tong ganito. Kumbaga naibit ka na rin sa situation before. Alam mo na yung mga tao sa paligid mo kung ano yung ligaw ng mga bituka nila. Ganon. And of course, lifting the veil. So there's a questioning everything. Kumbaga minsan, kumbaga natatanong ka na lang talaga na bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. So parang pagiging Scorpio, hindi natin maalis yan. So ganon talaga. So let's see what is the Moonology. Kumbaga, there's a questioning. Kasi yung Scorpio is an analyzation and of course, masyado yung ma-analyze or something, matanong sa lahat ng bagay. So, hindi na ako magtataka. So, let's see what is the Moonology. Kasi lingid sa sa ating kaalaman, ang Scorpio talaga is kumbaga maano talaga yan, ma-analyze yan, no? Hindi yan basta-basta masyadong kumbaga pag may mga conclusion or something hinalay, kumbaga talagang gusto niya, talaga dinidiscover niya or talagang inaalam niya yon. And of course, there's a fair climax approaches. So, ibig sabihin na sa exciting part ka na ng situation, no? Paganda ng sitwasyon mo. So, this is it. So, let's see what is just chakra messages. And of course, enlightenment. So, magkakaroon ka na kaliwanagan dito, Scorpio. And of course, there's a wisdom. So, talagang mabusilak, talagang mabuti ang iyong puso. Even sa mga hangarin, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a transition by release. May mga bagay na kailangan baguhin at kailangan alisin. Like a toxic, no? May mga toxic friend talaga tayo. And of course, there's a resolution na problem solving, no? Kumbaga, masusolusyonan na yung mga problema pinagdaanan mo, matatapos na yan. So, eto na nga, 'di ba? So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Kaya pala, you got the power. So, ibig sabihin talaga dito na, alam ni God na kaya mo, no? And forgiveness heals. So, ibig sabihin dito na talagang magkakaroon ng kapatawaran talaga, no? Ayun yung magsisilbi ng kagalingan sa lahat ng aspeto. No? So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. At sinasabi sa ni Jesus dito na have faith in God. So, magdiwala ka kay God, diba? Nangyayari yan sa buhay mo kasi mayroon talaga siyang gusto talagang patunayan sa'yo. Even may mga bagay siyang gustong malaman mo, no? Parang ma-discover mo sa sarili mo. Parang something discoveries yun nasa sense ko dito na yung kakayanan mo kailangan mong ilahad at kailangan mong malaman. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's an oracle card. So, sinasabi talaga dito na alam mo na yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Hindi mo na kailangan magtanong, bagkus alam mo na yung magiging sagot. And of course, there's a protected. So, you are being protected. So, ibig sabihin, marami kang gabay. At protektado ka. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for angel spirit. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a loneliness, no? Hindi ka nag-iisa, no? At, ginagabayan ka ng ating mga gabay. And of course, there's a courage, no? Kumbaga, I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. So, kailangan mo labanan yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Kailangan mo maging matapang. Ganon. Laban na laban. Na, alam ko, Scorpio talagang, ano yan eh, kumbaga talagang, kumbaga sacrifices yan eh, kumbaga marunong talagang magaling niya mag-sacrifice ng mga bagay at alam niya, kumbaga nagtitake ng risk to, no? Lalo sa mga bagay-bagay na alam niyang, di ba, kaya niya. Kahit na wala pa siyang idea or something, wala pa siyang experiences doon. Kumbaga, kaya niya talaga mag-takes ng risk, no? Masyadong challenger and of course adventurous tong Scorpio na to. Even as, there's a strategy. So, kailangan mo ng strategiya, no? Kumbaga, kaya mo to kasi there's a strategy. May mga strategy kang ginagawa. So, there's an angel's answer, guys, no? So, magkakaroon dito ng question. So, mag-isip ka na kung ano magiging question mo. Bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip ka na ng question, okay? Okay, bibilang ako ng 3, ha? 1, 2, 3. So, angels answer. Please give me the answer for this question. Trust! Oh my God! Kailangan mo magtiwala kay God. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa nangyayari sa'yo. May purpose yan. And of course, the situation will improve. Na magbabago yung sitwasyon. Kumapit ka. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng sagot sa'yo, ha? Ang ganda ng sagot. Na-excite ako. And reconsider. So, kailangan mo i-considera yung mga bagay-bagay minsan sa paligid mo na kumbaga, there's an angel's guides and angel spirit. Even sa divine intervention, may mga paalala sa'yo na dapat mo mag-pay attention, no? Kailangan mo makinig. Even sa angel's number, no? Kumbaga, may mga pinapahatid sa angel's number na kailangan mo kumilos, kailangan mo gumalaw, kailangan mo ganito, ganyan. Kasi kailangan mo na solusyon or kailangan mo gumawa ng ganito eksena para mabago yung situation mo. Diba? So, let's see what is the angel's number. So, let's see what is the angel's number. So, angel's number represent, there's a 666, I am centered. Oh my God! There's a 666, I am centered. Sinasabi dito, a wake-up call for you to re-examine your current situation and then change the direction of your thoughts. So, you can raise your vibration to more positive frequency. So, see? Kumbaga, mag-pay attention tayo na, kumbaga, sinasabi dito for all Scorpio out there, no? Kumbaga, kapag puro negative at puro toxicities yung nangyayari sa iyo, kumbaga yung kung ano iniisip ko, ano yung ginagawa mo, it's a toxicities or negativities. Kailangan mong mag-change ng eksena or baka i-examine mo yung kaganapan. Kailangan mo i-visualize or something i-analyze yung nangyayari sa iyo. Kasi mamaya, kumbaga, yun yung paraan para makapag-open ka ng blockages, no? Para sinasabi sa dito na kailangan mo mag-evaluate or something, analyze na nangyayari sa behind your back na, kumbaga may mga bagay na labag ka nang nagagawa. So, ibig sabihin mag-ingat ka sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa behind your back. So, there's a positive frequency na kailangan mong hatakin, no? Kailangan makapaghatak ka ng mga ng positivity nang sa ganun, kumbaga, mag-continuous yung blessings na matatamo mo, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, it's a sign na, kumbaga, wake up call, no? This is a caution or something warning for you na you need to pay attention sa nangyayari sa paligid mo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. So, there's a good energy naman, no? Parang may paalala lang sa atin ng divine na kailangan mong i-consider. Kaya pala, there's a reconsider, no? Kailangan mo i-considera yung nangyayari sa'yo behind your back na baka may mga bagay na, kumbaga, parang red flags, ganon, no? Ayun, yun, kailangan mo, kumbaga, but there's a red flag na, kumbaga, may mga nangyayari sa'yo na kailangan mong isipin muna, no, bago mo gawin. Parang ganun siya. So, kailangan mo mag-change ng direction or something na situation. So, let's see what is the messages of life. And there's an appreciation. So, marunong ka dapat mag-appreciate ng mga bagay-bagay. I am grateful for the abundance in my life as I direct my thoughts towards all that I wonderful in my world. My troubles and worries lightens. With a full heart, I appreciate all that I have. Today, I accept what it is, as it is, and choose to be satisfied. I express my loving things for the universe, for wealth that is mine. So, see? Kumbaga, magpasalamat ka sa universe sa buhay na binigay sa'yo na kalaan or sa buhay na natatamasa mo, no? Kumbaga, nandiyan ka sa situation na, kumbaga, kasaganahan. Kasi, kumbaga, binibigyan ka ng opportunity God para maranasan mo. Pero, hindi sa lahat ng oras at hindi sa lahat ng panahon, nandiyan ka sa situation. Kapag may buting ginagawa mo, magiging blessed at talagang ibe-bless ka pa. So, pag may mga bagay na ginawa kang masama, so, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a karma. So, there's a justice. Kaya pala, there's a justice, kumbaga, sa lahat ng gagawin mong action, kumbaga, ibabalik sa'yo to in a good way or bad way. No, ibig sabihin, mag-pay attention ka, baka may mga bagay na ginagawa kang hindi mabuti or nakakasama na. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo maging maingat, no, sa kilos at galaw. Kasi alam mo, sa bagay na ginagawa mo, ang impact niya na ibalik sa'yo. There's a bounce back. Mag-ingat ka. What goes around comes around. Be aware. No? So, guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of December 8 hanggang December 14 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. This reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapaw man balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!